We take this time to honor today's four-state hero. Specialist Antonio Petrie joined the United States Army in 2017, his hometown, Miami, Oklahoma. We are proud to salute Antonio Petrie, our four-state hero.
The birthday list kicks off with the Angler Extraordinaire. What a catch right there by Claire Morris. My goodness, kiddo. Get some sunny skies, get back on the water. Happy birthday to Claire in Cherokee.
North in Nevada, Garrett A. Bishop turning 11 years old. Hope you have a great one.
Ashton Akins Ansley, A cubed. A happy 17th birthday to you, Miss Ashton. She is celebrating in Iowa.
Here's another 17. Jenny Armstrong, a little throwback picture there. Looks like she was showing some sass in that picture. Jenny Armstrong is in Moran, Kansas.
And Aiden Harrison, a 17th birthday as well, and some Fort Scott Tiger Pride. Happy birthday, Aiden.
All right, Zoe Baldwin, turning 18 years old this year. Zoe is in Columbus. Birthday wishes come with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
And Melissa Swan. Melissa celebrating her 51st birthday. She is partying on in Weir.
And it's not just Melissa's birthday, it's also the day that Melissa and her husband Daniel celebrate their anniversary. 10 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations to the Schwans in Weir.
Congratulations. Dan McWilliams, a 65th birthday. Happy birthday to Mr. Dan in Lamar.
Iona Phillips turning 87 years old this year. Miss Iona is in Liberal, Missouri. Happy birthday.
And Mindy Otto Dietz. A happy birthday to you, Mindy. She is celebrating in Weir as well.
All right. A little belated birthday wish going out to George Bogle, who was celebrating yesterday in Girard. We want to celebrate it 2 days in a row. Why not? Emma Custer is celebrating birthday number 18 in Chanute, and Brian Merchant, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this 29th day of April. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And when you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
A little bit of an overcast morning outside of Television City, but at least no raindrops hitting the tower cam. 60 degrees is where we stand right now as the wind is shifted in, coming in from the northwest. 59 in Parsons, 61 in Miami, and a whole bunch of 61s ranging from Carthage, Monette, Neosho, and Anderson. There is a look at the cloud cover, still keeping our eyes on a little bit of light rain that's coming out of Tulsa right now. I know that south of I-44, that is the last thing you want to hear, but it's actually not too bad as far as the intensity of that rain. Certainly nothing like what we had yesterday. So we've got flood warnings. That's indicated in the light green until 2:30 this afternoon. Then that dark green swath you see right there, that's a flood warning. It runs all the way to 5. No surprise, that is part of the Elk River. It's expected to rise above flood stage this morning, crest at about 15.5 feet. And at 15 feet, that's when you get the flooding from the Elk. Now, the heavy rain today, it stays down in central Arkansas. So at least we get a break from it. We're actually going to get sunshine today, clear off through the course of the late morning hours, and head into the weekend with a chance to dry out. Sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-70s. Not anticipating any rain creeping back in until we get to late Sunday afternoon. We'll be back, wrap up this edition of the KOM Morning News right after this.